My favorite replacement battery. I do love the quality of it a lot. I trust these brands. They always have such a great quality products. They give you instruction. I already have another battery, the same one, and the quality is great. That is my second one. Large one, very powerful. There are 3 sections inside. Very nice. There is a cable. Nice long cable. I do love the quality of this cable, very nice material, and it's very long. I can plug it right here and charge it. It is compatible with the GoPro 13 and there are 2 batteries inside. Very easy process of how to use it, and you can keep it anywhere. It looks very stylish and beautiful. I do love the design of it a lot. And the color is nice. I think it is a great present for your friends and family, and it is must have for the house. I do love to use my GoPro almost every day, and so for me this is must have.